Welcome back to the channel, everyone. CryptoTakeOver here, coming back with another Bitcoin cryptocurrency video for you today. So right now, we currently just found out that Elon Musk has just bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin here. We're on Twitter right now. We're taking a look at some of these articles. But as you can see, it does look like Doge, BTC. This is the new thing happening right now. Tesla invested of $1.5 billion in Bitcoin under its new policy. Tesla buys $1.4 billion of Bitcoin. So this is just hashtag Bitcoin right now, and this is exactly what we're seeing going on with Bitcoin. So Elon Musk, the pumper of Doge, the pumper of Bitcoin, is continuing to invest inside this space. Obviously, now we know that he has bought Bitcoin. I do believe that there was another video out earlier today by Carl from the Moon asking if we think that Elon Musk has bought Bitcoin, and obviously the answer has been given to us now. It does look like Bitcoin is the going to be the new standard for Tesla moving forward. I don't know how much of their balance sheet is, but $1.8 billion worth of Bitcoin has been bought by Tesla. We're going to take a look at the charts, see what's popping off over there. But what a bullish, absolute bullish news to begin our Monday morning off with. Ethereum futures has launched today too as well. And now we're seeing that this was put out by Plan B. Tesla bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, and you can buy a Tesla car with Bitcoin in the near future. So let's see what this article says here. We hold and acquire digital assets that may be subject to volatility in market prices and unique risk. In January 2021, we updated our investor policy to provide us with more flexible and further diversity in maximizing returns on our cash that is not required to maintain adequate operating liquidity. As part of the policy, which was duly approved by the audit committee of the board directors, we may invest a portion of such cash in certain alternative reserve assets, including digital assets, gold bullion, gold exchange traded funds, and other assets on specific in the future. Thereafter, we invested an aggregated 1.5 billion in Bitcoin under this policy, and may acquire and hold digital assets from time to time or long term. Moreover, we expect to begin accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment for our products in the near future, subject to applicable laws and initially on a limited basis, which we may or may not liquidate upon receipt. Yeah, so obviously, they're going to be accepting Bitcoin, but they could be selling it for profit. They may not be hanging on to it. It's hearsay, thersay, but this is definitely going to be one that we are going to see probably pump the markets. And right now, Bitcoin's sitting right at about 26,700. So without further ado, let's go ahead and cue that intro and get started. Folks, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. The news is popping off right now for the Monday morning. It is February 8th, and it's early in the morning right now. CryptoFace was live. I wanted to put out a video, and then lo and behold, I'm watching CryptoFace's live trade of $3 million trade, and then I have the Elon pump coming through on the trade, and people in the chat just popping off. So let's go ahead and jump on over to the charts, because I know that's what we're interested in today, and let's see what's going on over there. And so, as most of y'all know, Michael Saylor has been in contact with Elon Musk the past week or so, I believe, for the the playbook, the strategy playbook that Michael Saylor has been distributing out to these larger companies too as well. And what we're seeing now is that it does look like Elon was part of that strategy playbook, and he did get a hold of it. And lo and behold, Tesla is now invested into Bitcoin and now accepting Bitcoin as payments too as well. What we can see here is we got the retest on the bounce here on our symmetrical triangle break. Bitcoin just continuing to pump here. Buy signals are popping off, as we can see right now. 43,200. Actually, this is actually past our all-time high now. We've just reached the all-time high for Bitcoin, live on the screen right now. On our way up to our next extension level, 1 point extension would be right underneath $50,000. We got our green dot on the 4-hour, 5-hour. What we were looking for was our green dot on the 5-hour. We updated our Patreon members inside of our private Discord server. So if you aren't part of our private trading group page, make sure to join us through Discord. If you want to pay with credit or debit card, you can join us through Discord. Join us through Patreon. Make sure you give me your Discord username so that way I can give you access to our private categories on Discord, and you can learn about some of the also we're trading too as well. But as you can see, we got our big green dot down here, and we got our green dot right above our 0 pivot point on market Cipher B, and then we just continue to skyrocket up to the top side here. So Bitcoin not slowing down at all. Looks like we're going to be headed up to our price target right at about $50,000 or so, right underneath the $50,000 mark, $49,000. Get ready, folks. This definitely looks like it's ready to continue up higher. Higher time frames are definitely showing us some more bullish aspects. Green dots are popping off on our higher time frames here too as well. Looking at the 12-hour, we are starting to see, we got a lot of things going on here, folks. A lot of things going on today. Alarms popping off, and we are steadily making these videos for you too as well. So looking at the daily here, let's take a look at the daily. It does look like we are getting that bounce off of our VWAP, and we're probably going to continue to ride out to the side here too as well. So things are looking relatively bullish. But yeah, this 4 and 5 hour was a good signal for us to take that trade. I signaled it to the group as of last night. We got the retest on the bullish trend line break here, and now we're headed back to the upside. So if you took that trade, congratulations, folks. And let's go over into the dominance chart. What we were looking for with the dominance was seeing a nice little rounded or support level here for our dominance chart. Now what we're going to be looking for is to possibly break through our bullish trend line here. If we are to break through this, that's going to leave a significant amount of people moving back into Bitcoin too as well. Taking a look at the 2-hour here, let's see, we're starting to look for this rounded off money flow. We want to see that rounded money flow start on our lower time frames and then make our way up into these higher time frames too as well. Folks, if y'all are curious about what indicator we're using the market cipher indicator by CryptoFace alongside with the TI sequential by Tone Bays and the market guide buy and sell signal. So we're using a few paid for indicators on this channel. You can check the links in the description box below if you want to pick up the market cipher indicator, and using that affiliate link in the description box below helps support the channel. So I highly appreciate that. Taking a look at ETH, let's see what's going on over here with ETH, folks. Ethereum's futures has launched today. We did get the retest underneath the 21 EMA all the way down to about $1,500 or so. We were expecting possibly a retest all the way down to 1,400. Didn't quite get the retest down there. It does look like the Ethereum futures is giving us a nice bounce here alongside with Bitcoin too as well. So Ethereum starting to make its recovery back up above the 21 EMA on some of these lower time frames here. As you can see, we did dip below it and then we recovered very nicely. Market Cipher B also giving us a nice green dot above our 0 pivot point on our 8-hour chart too. This is probably going to lead to a nice little bullish rally, probably breaking the all-time high for Ethereum too as well, which is right at about $1,760. And more than likely we're definitely going to be looking for higher price targets when it comes to Ethereum too as well. Our next fib extension level could be at the 1618 level, which is right at about $2,100, $2,000 Ethereum, possibly incoming here in the near term future. So get ready, folks. This definitely looks like it's going to be a bullish week for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Hang on to your freaking pants and make sure you buckle up and strap up and sit tight. This definitely looks like the money's coming back into the market on Monday morning. So get ready, folks. A highly volatile but highly bullish Monday morning for your Bitcoin cryptocurrency trading today on the market. So whew. We'll be putting out videos each and every single day to keep you updated, but this is what's going on with ETH, Bitcoin, and the cryptocurrency market as of right now. Let's just take a look at the dollar just to see how much the dollar is dying off, and are we getting a little bit of a retracement? Let's take a look at the daily. Daily giving us that red dot down here on market cipher B2 as well, possibly wanting to come back down and retest that 21 EMA. So we could definitely start to see a little bit of a sell-off within the dollar, which would give Bitcoin a nice little rally too as well. Yeah, we're definitely going to be keeping a close eye on Bitcoin. It definitely looks like we got a lot of room to the upside here, folks. We've broken the previous all-time high. Now we want to start to make our way and close above possibly $43,000 or so. So keep an eye out, folks. Thanks for tuning into the video today. It's a nice short video for you Monday morning, but Tesla has just invested $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin on their books. So wow, Absolutely incredible, folks. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way y'all can stay updated every single video that we make on this channel each and every single day as the bull market rally continues. Let's see what happens for the rest of the day. I'll be back tomorrow. If you want to join us over in our private trading group, you can join through Patreon, or if you want to join paying crypto, you can message us on Discord, and I'll give you a I'll get you all set up. So with that being said, folks, I'll see you on the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.